Who is fucking 50 degrees, bro? Like, makes you want to wake up early and do shit. When you're used to triple digits, 50 degrees is cold as fuck. But anyway, I was up last night fucking ordering parts, spending money on the fucking Build Back Better project here. Fucking ordered new valve springs, but of course, these cam caps, they're not good at taking stronger springs, they break. So I got stronger springs, better caps. I got a new primary and secondary chain, even though these only have maybe 10,000 miles on them since this motor is rebuilt. I got new guides, aluminum ones. I got way better guides. What else did I get? I think that's it for the timing. You know what I bought? I don't know, I bought a lot of shit, dude, last night. It's fucking crazy. It's been like $3,000 so far. And I'm not even done yet. I still have to buy the gaskets once I get the heads back. I'll have to buy the head gaskets. But I need to know how much they took off the head so I can make up with the thickness of the gasket. So those are 40 thousandths gaskets right there that came off of it. So if they take 5 thousandths off, I got to get 45 thousandths the gaskets. You know, depending on what they take off is the thickness of the gasket I got to get. So I can't even order those until I get the heads back and I know how much they took off. Those gaskets are like 200. Those are 184 a piece, but the heavy duty ones are like 235 each. So it's another $500 just for these two gaskets, the two head gaskets. It's fucking crazy, dude. So it's probably gonna be 5 G's. This is gonna cost me. And for being stupid, that's the stupid tax that I have to pay for being fucking stupid and an asshole. And that's it. That's the stupid tax. So now I'm fucked. Now I just gotta wait for parts. So I'm waiting for all the driveline parts. The valve train parts. Waiting for the heads to come back, and then I can order the new gaskets. Man, I got a lot to do though. I ordered all the other gaskets, like all the intake, exhaust, all that shit. So I gotta prep those pipes. I gotta prep that header. I'm just trying to remember everything I gotta do, man. It's a lot. But I can finally do it, you know. I've been stuck in the house for 6 months with fucking 120-degree heat. Haven't been able to do nothing, and now I can fucking do everything. I gotta get this thing out to the alternator shop this morning. I gotta put this up here so I don't forget. Because I will fucking forget everything. But this fucking post is loose and it just spins, so I get it to the shop, have them either rebuild it or just repair it. It looks like it needs a cleaning and a rebuild real bad though. So fucking let them do their thing on it. That's probably another $130 that's got to get done. What else has to get done? I ordered a new AC belt because that one's fucked. I could order a regular belt, a new serpentine, because it's so buried in there with the turbos and everything. When it's back together, I'm just gonna put new belts so we don't have to worry about it. Have the alternator fixed there. The alternator always worked fine. This just happened on teardown when I was taking the car apart. It just would not come loose and without spinning that stud. So I even tried to put some vice grips on it to hold the post from spinning while I tried to loosen this, but hold the cable and the post at the same time. It was a fucking nightmare. I tried not to break it, but I fucking broke it, so just gotta go to the shop. I'm not very gentle with shit, you know. I get pissed off. That thing was pissing me off that day. I don't know why, but anyway. That's what's going on. Now I just need something to do. I'm bored out of my fucking tits. That's new headlights for the Mustang. That's all Impala parts. That's Impala parts. All brand new parts I gotta put on the car when it gets here. So, like, I'm trying to get this fucking Mustang done before that thing gets back. Because one fucking piece of shit's enough. I don't need two pieces of shit that need parts put on them. You know what I mean? So, one piece of shit at a time. Gotta pay the stupid tax. I don't know about that anymore. That might have to come off. Say stupid tax car or something. I don't know. I fucking got issues, bro. I got issues.